Sample a sample. Today we're going to sample a sample. And I'm going to give you an example of how to sample a sample. Greetings, guys, gals, buddies, pals. I'm the one they refer to as Dezi Perado, and today we're going to do just that. I'm going to be using Logic Pro X Studios, and this program comes with many samples that you can use for anything you want, royalty free. A lot of times we find sometimes people use these samples that are already in the program just as they are, and they might add drum loops to it or do something like that. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to see if I can find a sample and cut it up and make it into something new, hopefully that's not recognizable. So let's see if we can do this. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can find a sample. I'm kind of going into this with a free mind. I have no idea what I want to do. I did set the BPMs to 85 up here. I at least know that much. But let's kind of go through this and see if we could find a genre here. Let's do hip hop and hip hop R&B. See if we can find something that matches our tempo. I'm gonna go down to start around here. All right, I think I'm gonna go with that. Faded love strings, rhythms. Drag it in. So after we bring the sample in, I'm gonna open it up in the Q sampler, and you can see that everything is cut up already in slices. I'll put the gate on, and I'm gonna put follow tempo on. That way, when it pitches, it follows the tempo. I'm gonna go to classic, because I actually want the whole sample to see what I mean. See if we can, all right, let's see what we can do here. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Up here. All right, so this is how I literally do my bass and drums every time for a beat. I try to feel it from inside. I listen to the melodies, and I kind of do a beatbox with my mouth. So here we go. Let me listen here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I was able to make the drums of what I just beatboxed. So here's the translation of that so you can hear. Bass. All right, so that was the drums and the bass. The next thing I want to show you, but before I do, I just want to say if you made it this far into the video, please like and subscribe. This next portion is just going to be me playing the music out. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the sample again, which was this. Okay. So now we took that sample and we made this beat with it. Here we go. This beat's pretty serious, right? This is like if you had something to say. You're rapping about like your life.